Hi everyone, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Pankaj. I am working as a project manager from last 3.5 years. I will be your Excel trainer for today. Today we are going to cover some basic Excel formulas which starts from sum, minimum, maximum and if. We are trying to start from beginning. This is a very first video for the people who are looking for some basic training in Excel or spreadsheet. Those who are already aware about this formula, please check this out as a summary or just practice. So without wasting any time, let's go through it. So we are trying to find some of these four numbers. Let's see how to do that. So just try to understand, in Excel or spreadsheet, whenever you are trying to use any kind of formula, you have to use equal to sum, then value 1, value 2, value 3, value 4, or you can use directly a range, that is A2 to A10. In our case it is C2 to C5. So the sum of this four number is 122. You can write it down here as sum of this four numbers is 122. If I want to find this sum of this four number manually, so you can use equal to. As I mentioned, you have to use equal to sign for every formula. Equal to sum, value 1 is my 13, value 2 is 34, value 3 is 21, value 4 is 54. So these are the four numbers and the sum of this four number is 122. So the disadvantage of this adding values manually is, if anything, I am changing in the values. For example, instead of 13 I am considering 14. If I am getting 14 here, this is getting changed, but the values which we have added manually, that thing is not getting changed. So it is always advisable to use a range directly rather than adding values manually. I have seen there are many of my team members were using this thing manually, but it creates a problem in the longer run. So always try to use range directly rather than adding values manually. Let's go to the next formula, minimum. It is also the same. You have to use equal to sign for using any Excel formula. So equal to min. It is also same, value 1, value 2, value 3, or range A2 to A10. So in our case it is C2 to C4. Enter. So the minimum value from this four number is, out of this four number is 14, as you clearly see. If you have entries more than 10,000, more than 20,000, then by simply applying this minimum formula throughout the range from C1000, C1 to C1000, you can easily get the minimum value from that data. Let's go to our next formula, max. So in max also it is equal to max, then range or values you can add manually, value 1, value 2, value 3, value 4, or range directly from C2 to C5. So the maximum value out of this four number is 54. As I mentioned, if you have entries more than 2000, 3000, you can easily get a maximum value or outlier from that particular data. We will see this in the upcoming videos, how to analyze the data. So please make sure that you are subscribing this channel. Let's see our last formula, if. So let's see our last formula, if. So if is a logical expression. If condition true, then it will write as true. If condition is false, then if condition, for example, let's go with example rather than this. If A is greater than 20, then if this condition is true, then it will write something. If A is not greater than 20, the logical expression is false, then it will write something else. Okay, try to understand this. Let's try to apply this. If If C3, let's consider C3. If C3, that is this, is greater than 40, then write it down as ABC. If C3 is not greater than, that means this condition is not true, then it will write down as DEF. Simple. If this condition is true, it will write it down as ABC. If this condition is not true, it will write it down DEF. So C3 means this 34. 34 is not greater than 40. That's why it is writing it down as DEF. For example, if I am changing this value 34 to 41, then it is showing as ABC, because our condition is C3 should be greater than 40 for this true. If it is true, that is 41 is greater than 40, obviously. That's why it is mentioned as ABC. If I am changing this value to 39, it is showing as DEF, because 39 is not greater than 40. That's why the logical expression is wrong. That's why the answer is DEF. That's it, guys. Please let me know if you have any doubt. I am here to help you. Please, comment box is yours. Let me know which type of videos you want to see or what problem you are facing, so that I can cover in the upcoming videos. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much. Have a good day.